All right, KTAuthentics, we're running this back. Same thing we just did the last 3 boxes of this case because it's been uneventful. All right, same people. We're going to go 5 times this time. So we're going to randomize for 20 minutes and get your teams. So going 5 times. All right, Freeman, Simon, myself, Freeman, Simon, myself, Freeman, Simon, myself. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Freeman sandwich. Right. And 76ers through Warriors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Warriors, Kings, Mavs in that middle hole again. All right. Tier 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure we get the Spurs this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Jazz to Rockets. I think I got this down now. 5 times for tier 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Heat to Blazers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, Simon got the Mavs. This time. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 Totos, William, myself. Sorry, Freeman. Hey, I gave myself them and I couldn't hit it, so, you know, it's totally rigged. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wizards, Raptors. Come on, main screen. Alright. Let's do this way this time. Alright, I have Hawks, Grizzlies, Knicks, Nuggets, Cavs, Spurs, Blazers, Heat, Wolves, Wizards, Simon, Lakers, Mavs, Suns, Rockets, Celtics, Bulls, Hornets, Nets, Pacers, Raptors, Freeman, Warriors, Sixers, Kings, Bucks, Clippers, Jazz, Pistons, Magic, Thunder, Pelicans. He's all over. I don't know what they're doing. Alright, you guys ready to go? You guys good? We're gonna start with box 4. Alright, good luck. Some nasty patches. Dirk out of 75 for Simon and the Mavericks. Mikal Bridges, 3 of 199. Suns are Simon over there. I think we're going to have a random to do. Out of 99, we got Trae Young, Mo Bamba, Zaire Smith, and Javon Carter. All right, guys, I'm going to have to do this over here to this so I can see who has what. All right, Hawks are me. Magic are Freeman. 76ers are Freeman. And the Grizz Kids are me. I'm going to give that to you, Freeman. We got out of 199, Kevin Knox for myself and the Knicks. For the Celtics, Robert Parrish. Celtics are amazing in this, apparently. Simon. And for the Nuggets, sticker auto, Jared Vanderbilt. Jesus, that was a rough box. How is this stuff this expensive? Eric Bledsoe out of 25 for the Bucks. Freeman. Michael Porter Jr. out of 49 for the Nuggets. Myself. We got Hawks, which is me. Magic, which is Freeman. Bulls this time, which is Simon. And Cavs, which is myself. So that'll go to the random. Out of 99, Young, Bamba, Carter Jr., and Sexton. Go to the random. Dante DiVincenzo out of 49 for Freeman and the Bucks. Good old Tom Chambers for the Suns. Simon, 22 of 49. And Josh Okogie for the Timberwolves. That's, wow. Holy Jeebus. Our best hit has been a Trae Young jersey auto and a Celtics duel. Out of... Wow. Okay. Los Suns, Josh Allen. This is terrible. Simon. Grayson Allen, 199. Freeman. Steph Curry out of 75. Freeman and the Warriors, triple jersey. For the Grizzlies, duel, 22 of 25. Jaren Jackson Jr., Javon Carter. Stickers galore for me, apparently. For the Celtics, Simon, Jason Tatum, jersey auto. Game worn material on Jason Tatum on card. And for the Knicks, wow, this stuff is hot garbage. This is, yeah, that was bad. That was bad. All right, we got a random to do. We're going to go 5 times on it. And if I win it, I'll click again. Alright, good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bulls are Simon. That was insanely bad. Just insanely bad. One patch auto the whole case, which was a no-name. 2 duels, which weren't even that good. Trae Young was our best hit.